copying blocks, elements, text, images from another document into your existing current document is very easy. And what's worthwhile doing is putting the documents side by side so you know exactly what is going where. To give you an example, I'm going to split my screen using window arrange to up vertical between the two documents that I have open. So now I can see that I might want to pinch this pre-made element from this file, from this document, come over here and paste it exactly where it sits on the page. There we go. Now I can use this element. I can move this around. I can edit this element. Do whatever I like with it. Maybe I want to change colours. Let's go ahead and we'll change this to yellow. Let's say, for example, I'm working on many documents that use the same structure and branding. It would make a lot of sense for me to build these blocks, these elements in one file and use this as a master file to then copy over to my other newer documents. So then it stays with the same branding, it's consistent in spacing and size and colors, and I don't have to waste time rebuilding every element over and over again. I can just nip into my master file, take what I need, copy it, paste it into my existing document, and jobs are good. Now, if you find that you can't find an element that you need in your master file, it's a new, a new build. We'll just build the new element in the master file, save it there, and then you've got that to use for the future for your other documents. So sometimes the master file is a perpetual file that you'll find you're always building into, but your future self will be thankful that you created those elements to use at a future project. The key to a successful master file and its children, in this case, if the master file was a parent and then you've got the rest of the documents are children, is that they must use the same paragraph and cell styles. They must share the same. Otherwise, what you're doing is diluting your master and children files with different named styles and different contexts when it comes to colors, shapes, sizes, all that sort of thing. So ideally, you want to build out the master file as much as you can first before you start with your children files. So if you do go from a child to a master, just make sure that you're carrying over the same styles to the master sheet to avoid any kind of mistakes made. I would suggest just building it in the master first and then carrying it over to the children document to avoid any dilution of styles and rules that you've created previously.